How do you choose the right cybersecurity solution for your business? Whether you're just starting out or looking to upgrade your existing security measures, all businesses should look into what cyber solutions are right for them. First, let's talk about why cybersecurity is crucial for your business. In today's digital age, cyber threats are becoming more sophisticated and frequent. From ransomware attack to data breaches, businesses are facing an array of risks that can result in significant financial loss and reputational damage. Here are some of the most common cyber threats that you should be aware of. Phishing attacks. These involve fraudulent emails that try to trick your employees into revealing sensitive information. Ransomware. Malicious software that locks your files until a ransom is paid. Data breaches. Unauthorized access to confidential data, which can be disastrous for any business. Malware. Software designed to disrupt, damage, and gain unauthorized access to computer systems. Now that you understand the importance of cybersecurity, let's move on to a step-by-step guide on how to assess your business's cybersecurity needs. Step 1, identify your assets. First, identify what needs to be protected, like customer data, financial records, and intellectual property. Step 2, assess vulnerabilities. Conduct a vulnerability assessment to identify weak points in your current security setup. This might involve hiring an external consultant or using specialized software. Step 3, evaluate risk. Evaluate the potential impact of different cyber threats on your business. This will help you prioritize which vulnerabilities to address first. Step 4, determine your budget. Your budget will play a crucial role in determining the type of cybersecurity solution that you can afford. However, consider this as an investment rather than an expense. Step 5, research a solution. Looking for cybersecurity solutions that can address your specific needs. Key features to look for include real-time threat monitoring, data encryption, and multi-factor authentication. Step 6, test and implement. Once you've selected a solution, start with a trial period and test its effectiveness. Make sure it integrates well with your existing system before fulfilling any implementation. Choosing the right cybersecurity solution is essential for protecting your business against the ever-evolving landscape of cyber threats. By following these steps and focusing on key features, you'll be well on your way to securing your business effectively.